temperature on rice right now, man. We back, man. We back with it, man. And welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with the Don. Cooking with the Don, man. We're gonna be making a vegan breakfast burrito today. And I'm gonna be using my special little touch. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know now, I'm not a professional. I ain't a professional cook, you feel me? But I can do a little something. I do like to cook a little bit, you feel me? Nothing too much, nothing too big. And I got my main man and my main woman at that, you feel me? We got Mel, she looking how she looking.
But get the camera out my motherfucking face, bro.
But, yes sir, bro. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe, man. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do more of these, bro. I'm gonna be coming with more on anyway. But y'all let me know, man. Y'all get at me. So let's get started looking at what we're gonna use to cook. We're gonna start to use with my cheddar. I got plant-based, non-dairy, shredded. I got organic corn tortilla.
What?
Tortilla. I got organic corn tortillas. For the fruit, you know, we gotta have some fruit on the side. I got me some apples, I got grapes, and of course I got the #1 big dog, them blueberries. For what we're gonna be using with the inside of the burrito, we got the bell peppers, spinach, of course, gotta keep that spinach on me. And I got me some baby bella mushrooms. You did. Yeah, if I can get the shit off. Y'all see what's going on, y'all gonna look. All right, look. And now, we're gonna use either Morningstar sausage patties because I don't wanna break up that meat like that. And we got Boca original veggie crumbles,
Ooh,
you know.
Can't read.
But I think I'm gonna use the Morningstar all because, bro, I just really don't feel like fucking with it right now. But yeah, it's a movie. It's a movie. You dig? So now you see what I'm cooking. Let's get the chop. Let's go. So before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know that, bro, I'm not the best. Like I said earlier, I'm not the best cook. So don't be judging on my cutting. I can cut some shit up though. You feel me? All right. So now we gonna start by cutting up the mushrooms, man. I'm old school with it. I got me a slicer where I can slice everything up. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the original. It make it look better anyway. You know, when you cut it up. Alright, so now, as you can see, I ain't used all my, what all I intended on pulling out. But, you did some of the best finest of the cut, man. Alright, so next, we finna warm up the pot, get this thing ready. You know, of course, we're using olive oil. I need to get a better kind for right now, but this don't work for right now. But I do use olive oil. I don't really use no other type of oil. And on top of that, another that we gonna get into that one, man. I've been on the blood type diet, but that's a whole nother video. So y'all stay tuned for that one. Let's get it. Go ahead, stir that around the pot. Mr. Shop a lot. Bottom of the pot. So now I got my oil in my pan almost ready. I did take out some spinach. I washed it, did all that. Got my mushrooms and my peppers. And I'm about to get ready. I got these my side condiments right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on some seasoning. Let it focus. That fennel seeds, man. If anybody looking, they wanna cook and they looking for like a sausage pork taste, I swear these the best, these the go-to right here. And don't judge me, but I do like lemon pepper on my eggs. It give it a little flavor, man. Don't be judged. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my mushrooms, peppers, And I'm gonna wait on the spinach right now. When it comes to cooking, bro, I really just be adding stuff. I be adding different seasonings, but a lot of people don't know, and some people do, but seasoning really give it, the food, really most of the taste. No matter what you eating, the seasoning really. So, made from plants, not chickens. We get ready to add my just egg and my spinach, and then eventually add the seasoning. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour the just egg, like really in the center of all the peppers and mushrooms and stuff, really giving it like a little omelet vibe, you know, so slight. Yeah, man, yeah, I don't know if I poured a little bit too much or what. I'm gonna pour the rest in there. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach with it. You did. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage to the patty. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage to the pan. Get that cooking. So we getting almost there. One thing I like to do, I like to glaze my egg with a little bit of honey. Organic, natural honey at that. Alright, so for the most part, the eggs are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and sit them in the oven for a little bit to get them a little crispy taste. I like my eggs got a little crispy, you know.
While we wait, I would like to let you know that this video is sponsored by Max.
Y'all let me know what y'all thinking,
So for the finishing product, egg, sausage, technically, and you got your little burrito, man.
So let's check this burrito out.
Y'all already know it's behind. Alright, so that is episode 1 of Cooking with a Dime. Today was a breakfast day. My next episode might just be lunch. We might do dinner. All together a quick and easy meal, especially for the ones that's trying to eat healthy. But you can also do this with regular stuff if you're not on the vegan way and you just want a breakfast in the morning. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Y'all tune in for more videos. We got more coming. What you got to say to the cam? Oh, you don't rock with me? She be hanging on me. Anyway, that's the video. I'm gonna eat my breakfast.